Example 8, our last example. So a 22.5 millihenry inductor, a 105 ohm resistor, and a 32.3 microfarad capacitor are connected in series to the alternating source 240 volt 50 hertz. Okay, so we have to sketch the phasor diagram. First, let me list down all the information that we have. So we have the resistor 105 ohm, the inductor 22.5 millihenry, and the capacitor 32.3 microfarad. Okay, and then what we also have the RMS voltage, which is 240 volt, and the frequency, which is 50 hertz. Okay, so sometimes if you list down all this information like this, you will obtain some marks lah. Contohnya kamu akan dapat konsep 1 markah, sebab tapi itu applied for only when you have to calculate them lah. For example, area kan pi d square over 4. Sometimes you will get marks here, K1 gitu lah. Okay. Now we have to sketch the phasor diagram for the circuit. First, we have to know the inductive and capacitive reactance lah. Okay, so inductive reactance is 2 pi FL, which is 7.07 ohm, and then the capacitive reactance is 2 pi FC, 98.6 ohm. Okay, so now XC is greater than XL, so the arrow will be pointing downwards. Okay, so let me just draw them first. So we have this, then we have another one, then we have this one, will be pointing downwards sebab VRMS is greater than the capacitive reactance is greater than inductive reactance lah. That's why they're pointing downwards. So this is Z. This one should point here because XC is greater than XL. Z, this is R. Oh, we don't have to add this one, yung current. Okay, so that is in terms of R, XL, XC lah. Okay, so that is the phasor diagram, and then the power factor is cos phi. So if you calculate that, this is gonna be R over Z lah, sebab we don't have phi. So what do we need? We need the value of Z. So Z is calculated using this equation, XC minus XL square. Why is it XC minus XL? Is because XC is greater than XL. Okay, right, so from here you will then get the power factor to be equal to, this one is 139 ohm, so you'll get 0.755 as the power factor. Okay, and then last question, the average power. Average power is PAV equal to IRMS VRMS cos phi, which is the power factor. Okay, remember IRMS is also equal to VRMS over Z. So this is square cos phi lah. Okay, and then you'll get 313 watt as the average power. Okay, so that is the solution on example number 8.